words I know to say.
Be ready to get confused.
You didn't want to see life through my eyes.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
There's definitely no logic.
Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know a good talk about sex.
So irresistible.
Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know a good keep my mind.
What was I
And
thinking?
there is no more uncertainty.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Terribly moody.
You punish me for telling you my fantasies.
Then all of a sudden turn happy.
I'm breaking all the rules I didn't make.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
But to get involved in the exchange.
Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know a good talk about
It's
sex.
ever so satisfying.
Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know a good talk about you.
What was I
And
thinking?
there is no more uncertainty.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 What was I thinking? What was I thinking? What was I thinking?
Did I say something wrong?
And there is no
Did I stay too
more.
long?
And the compass wouldn't help.
Did I say something true? Did I have a point of view?
Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Absolutely no regret.